Wing and Apian partner with Blackrock Health, St. Vincent's Private Hospital, and Medtronic for innovative medical supplies drone delivery in Dublin. Wing and Apian have initiated a pioneering drone delivery trial in Dublin, in collaboration with Blackrock Health, St. Vincent's Private Hospital, and healthcare technology company Medtronic. This initiative aims to explore the benefits of drone technology in healthcare logistics, potentially transforming how medical supplies are transported to hospitals. Over the coming months, Wing and Apian will utilize drones to deliver essential medical supplies and devices, starting with Medtronic's PillCam trademark, sutures, surgical tools, and heart valve repair products. Future deliveries may include pacemakers and implantable cardiac defibrillators, ICDs. The first deliveries are set to reach Blackrock Health's Blackrock Clinic and St. Vincent's Private Hospital soon. This marks Ireland's first ongoing medical device delivery service by drone. Christian Howells, Group Commercial Director at Medtronic, emphasized the potential impact. The use of drones in medical logistics presents an exciting opportunity to get our life-saving technologies to the people who need them quicker than ever before. Traditional supply chains have limitations that the inclusion of drones may help to overcome. What we learn from this pilot program will help us to create more resilient supply chains that are patient-focused. The trial aims to achieve faster, more reliable, and sustainable medical logistics. By reducing the dependence on road vehicles, which are subject to urban congestion and higher carbon emissions, drones can make more efficient and eco-friendly deliveries. Wing's lightweight, electric drones can travel at speeds up to approximately 100 kilometers per hour, providing a quicker alternative to traditional transport methods. Dr. Caroline Wellen, CEO of Blackrock Health, expressed optimism about the initiative. At Blackrock Health, innovation is at the core of what we do, and this partnership is a prime example of the opportunities that exist when integrating technology into the healthcare industry, with an added benefit of supporting our commitment to sustainability. We are excited by the possibilities that come with this drone delivery service, and hope to expand this beyond receiving medical supplies by extending use to other services in time between our hospitals. Brian Fitzgerald, CEO of St. Vincent's Private Hospital, highlighted the alignment with their mission. St. Vincent's Healthcare Group is continuously harnessing advances in science and research to provide innovative treatment and care to our patients. Participating in this trial continues this tradition and allows St. Vincent's Private Hospital to explore how integrating drone technology into our hospital can improve patient care, enhance supply chain management, and enable us to operate more efficiently and sustainably. The initiative will commence with up to 100 weekly flights, supported by rigorous safety mechanisms and close cooperation with the Irish Aviation Authority to ensure high operational standards. Nicole Schoen, head of marketing and communications at Wing, expressed enthusiasm for the partnership. Wing is pleased to support a global leader in healthcare technology and two innovative hospitals to meet their needs for a more efficient delivery service for essential technology. We're excited to be part of Ireland's forward-looking healthcare technology market and to expand our existing portfolio of retail and medical deliveries around the world. We look forward to this trial further demonstrating the clear value that Wing drone delivery has for the healthcare industry and beyond. The trial represents a significant step in integrating drone technology into healthcare logistics. Hamid Jailani, founder and medical director of Apian, stated, "Apian is delivering the future model for a more innovative and efficient healthcare system, and we are very proud to be part of this new partnership.